So I gotta refresh this. Okay, here's how to create the Sierpiński triangle using the chaos game in Scratch. Okay, let's do this. Okay, remove the scratch cat is definitely step one. And entirely replace it with a circle. Don't make it tiny, okay? Making it a bit big. Not so big, but just large. About like this much. Maybe a bit bigger than that. Okay, 23 by 22 is fine. Now let's do this. Oh no, so sorry, I gotta look at. Okay, let's do this. And now we need to redo this, okay. So we need to name these both 1, 2, and 3. We gotta duplicate we have to duplicate these 2 times. And also make them into a triangle form. And now we're gonna make another thing called, which is just gonna be very tiny. I mean, there's nothing. It's gonna be nothing. It's gonna be our creator. This will create the Sierpiński triangle. Oh, and also add the pin extension. One green flag clicked. Okay, and also we're gonna rename the y variables bright to are the aught. Or if you want to, it can be named random dot oh, and also we're gonna go to a random position. We're gonna go into a random position. And then repeat any number you want. I'm gonna pick 100 times. I'm gonna pick 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. I'm gonna pick 1,000,000 times. This will be the chaos game, okay? It will take a while. Okay, and then after that, you set random dot to a random number from 1 to 3. You might be asking, why are you doing that? Well, it's going to be for the next thing. Point towards. So all of these are going to be named 1, 2, and 3 because the creator is going to use the random dot variable to make it equal, and then it will show point towards, and then it will be perfect. It will perfectly point towards a random dot that you want it to. And if they're different name, if they're not a name like that, the entire thing won't even work. So I have to do this, okay? Then we're gonna move distance to the random dot we want to go to, divide by 2, because this is all we're doing is all the chaos game is doing is always going to a random position and then pointing towards a random dot, and then moving the distance to the dot divide by 2 steps, and it will and then it will make a point. Okay, and now the last thing we need to do is put our pin down and pin up thing on, and this will happen. Oh, I forgot to turn on the turbo mode, sorry. See, we just did it. That's the Sierpiński triangle. Also, you have to refresh. Oh, right. Is the also remember to add an erase all on there for it to work good. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, like and subscribe. Thanks.